In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy on IBKR Mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the very bottom where it says trade and tap on it. So bottom middle, tap on trade. And mind you, I'm currently in my simulated trading, so with paper money, but it's going to work the exact same way if you're actually on your real account. So just follow me. Now, when you're in here, you can go ahead and of course, go down to the toolbox. And over here, as you can see, it says buy order. So to buy, the easiest way is just tap on the buy order button. This is the big blue button over here, tap on that, and then from here you'll basically have to search stocks, ETFs, and more. So whatever you want to do, whatever you want to purchase, just type it in. So for example, if I want to do Apple, I can tap up top and type in AAPL or just Apple, and it's going to find it. And then you can go ahead and up top select whatever you want. You have top, you have bonds, you have stock or ETFs, and I'm just going to click on the first Apple over here on the list. Of course, you can do whatever you want. I'm just showing this as an example, and then it's going to basically open up a new buy order. Now, if it doesn't show up that way, but for example, if you are here in the top, so let's say it shows like this. Let me actually find this for you again. As you can see, if it shows like this and you're on inside the top tab up top and you tap on Apple, it's going to give you a few different options, and usually you can go ahead and select if you want to get a stock or something else, and then you can just select. So for me, I selected the stock over here, and I can just go ahead and select how much I want to do. Here it's going to ask me the quantity. So as you can see, it says 100 right now, and it says how much that's worth. You could go ahead and tap this minus or plus button over here, and then of course you'll be able to select, or you can just tap on the number and you can select it yourself. So if I want to do 50, hit the check mark bottom right, there we go, it's now at 50. Now over here you can also select. So if you use this arrow button, so next to quantity at the very far right, you can see this kind of down arrow. Tap on it and you can go ahead and just select the amount by just tapping on it. Okay, over here you then have your order type. So currently it's at a limit order. You can go ahead and tap the arrow on the right again and select whichever one you want. You have market orders, you have stop limits, you have like limits, you have trailing limits, limit on close, market on close, a bunch of different ones. Okay, so select the one that's of course the one you want to use. I'm just gonna do the market order right now to actually buy at the current price. And then time in force is gonna also be available. You have to tap on that arrow and select if you want to do it at the opening, day, or good till cancel. So whenever you do that, you can also add an attach or bracket order if you want to. You could go ahead and add an one cancels another. You can see the order conditions. You can ask iBot. There's a bunch of different things you can do here, but just for basic buying, you basically just go ahead and find whatever you want to buy. Then you select the quantity and then the order type and time in force, and then you can just slide to the very bottom. And when you slide to the right like this, as you can see, it's going to basically go ahead and submit your order. Now, because the markets are currently closed, as you can see, it's giving me this pop-up. But for you, in case you are inside open hours, you won't get this pop-up. It's automatically going to go through instantly, and you can just tap on OK over here, and there we go. It says order submitted. I can tap on the done button at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. I've successfully bought on IBKR Mobile. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.